Who's that?
Sir, your face. No time. Let's go.
We're home free.
Someone's on our tail. There's a 3-mile interstate on the next exit. We can try to shake him off there. What about the other cars? The highway's under construction. There's gonna be no one else. Good.
Who's he?
Some Batman wannabe, probably. Boss? He looks like he knows what he's doing. I know. Here, take the wheel. I'll take him out. So you're back, huh, Harvey? Nightwing. It's been a while since I've seen you. When did you get your face fixed? What? Self-conscious? That's what you stole? That's right. What? You thought all it was good for was robbing banks and mugging citizens. Well, why else have you been gone for so long? I thought that got old for you. It might have. But you know what never got old? Beating up Batman's sidekicks. I'm no sidekick. The dionesium still has an effect. You've taken some of it already? You gotta calm down, Harvey. That's the last vial. Don't tell me what to do. I won't let you stop me, Nightwing. Here's the deal. Heads and you die, tails and I spare you. What's up with you, Harvey? Your good side hasn't come out at all this fight. Be quiet and accept your fate. What's going on? Next time.
Hey, with you.